The Big Ear radio telescope sat on a hilltop in Ohio, its massive wooden frame creaking softly in the night air. On August 15, 1977, a quiet summer night, it scanned the star-filled expanse toward Sagittarius. The dish tracked the sky with mechanical precision, its beam sweeping across a fixed point every 2 minutes. A faint, constant hiss filled the control room, background noise of the Milky Way itself. Then, the hiss fractured. A sharp, clean spike appeared on the paper tape recorder. It rose steadily, building in intensity over 72 seconds, the exact duration of the telescope's sweep across that patch of sky. It peaked at 30 times the normal cosmic static. The signal wasn't random, it was a perfect, sustained tone. No jagged edges, no fading, just a pure, deliberate burst cutting through the void. Volunteer Jerry Amon, hunched over the data printout at 2 a.m., saw the sequence, 6EQUJ5. The letters and numbers formed a pattern he'd never seen before. He grabbed his red pen. The ink bit into the paper as he circled the code. "Wow," he wrote, the words stark against the blackened white printout. He hadn't seen a signal this strong in years. The frequency was unmistakable, 1420 megahertz. The hydrogen line. Astronomers had long used this exact frequency as a cosmic standard, a natural beacon they'd mapped across the galaxy. A signal here wasn't just possible, it felt like a deliberate transmission, like tuning to a known channel. Sagittarius held the densest star fields in our galaxy, swirling with ancient stars and glowing gas clouds. Yet no known natural source there produced such a clean, single-pulse signal. Pulsars spun faster, quasars screamed in bursts. This was different. A sharp, precise point of light in the radio spectrum, vanishing the moment the telescope moved on. Big Ear's beam swept the sky continuously. That single sweep captured the signal. No other telescope had the right angle, the right frequency, or the right timing. When the beam passed that point again, seconds later, the signal was gone, like a match struck in the dark and instantly extinguished. Follow-up searches lasted decades. Other telescopes scanned Sagittarius repeatedly. They checked for natural radio sources, satellite interference, even equipment malfunctions. Every time, the sky remained silent. Big Ear itself was dismantled in 1998, its dish gone, its purpose complete. The signal stayed locked in the archives. A 2017 theory suggested a comet might have caused it. Astronomer Antonio Paris proposed Comet 266P/Christensen, but astronomers checked the comet's orbital path. Its position in 1977 didn't match Sagittarius. Its radio emissions wouldn't align with the signal's timing. The comet hypothesis couldn't explain the signal's location, its strength, or its perfect frequency. It collapsed under scrutiny. Other ideas surfaced: a natural burst from a dying star, a malfunction in Big Ear's electronics, even a passing satellite. Each was tested against the data. None fit. Natural signals flicker and distort. This one was unnervingly steady. It had no radio afterglow, no echo in later scans. It simply appeared and disappeared. The universe is vast, yet the signal's origin point was fixed. Sagittarius held no known object that could create it. Modern radio telescopes now detect thousands of fast radio bursts daily, but none are this brief, this clean, this utterly isolated. The wow signal remains a single, isolated event in the cosmic data stream, a ghost in the machine. Scientists know it was real. They know where it came from when it arrived and how strong it was. They know it came from deep space at the hydrogen frequency, lasting precisely the time Big Ear's beam swept that point. But they don't know why it happened, or what caused it. The silence after that 72 seconds is profound. Not a whisper of follow-up, no residue in the data, no pattern to chase. It was a single note played in a silent forest, Then the forest returned to stillness. Big Ear is gone. Modern telescopes scan more of the sky more often, yet the WOW signal remains the only known event to match its exact profile, a mystery that can't be repeated, a question with no answer. What could vanish without a trace?